Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Choose the contact you want to send disappearing messages to. Now, tap on the three vertical dots from the top right corner. From the pop-up of the menu, tap on Disappearing Messages. Now choose the lifespan of the message. And you will turn on the disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.